got some of these tools cleaned up here, so now let's grab our vise and let's pick. Let's try this Iseo Euro cylinder. I'm probably gonna have to take it out of the vise once we get it picked, because the actuator in there is gonna get stuck. And let's. I don't know why I put them all away. I'm just gonna drag them all out again. Gem's gonna be too tall. Let's not do that. Let's try the new hook 2 and the hook 3 and see how they do. Yep, oh, 40 thousandths is perfect for this lock. Gives us full control. Let's tip it up a little bit higher for you. And let's try with the hook 2 first, just see if there's any low cut pins. Oh, there we go, gotta click on 1. Got a little bit of a turn out of 2. Click on 4. Alright, let's switch to this hook 2 for some of these higher cut pins. Hey, I actually remembered to silence my watch today. No more, what did somebody say? They thought my dinner was done, so nope, no microwave sound today. There we go. I think we got something moving way in the back now. I think we set them. Hook 1 now. Oh, that's a lot different. I don't know if I like that one. Wow. That one comes to too much of a point. You feel like you're jabbing everything on the way in. It doesn't like to go in nice. And it's so long, it like bends while you're lifting, so it's not. It'll be very nice for open keyways, but for paracentric keyways, I think it's going to be. Oh, there we got a nice click. I don't know. I guess it works. Actually, that might be open. I think we might be hung up on the. Yep, that was it. We were hung up on the actuator. So the hook one did work. It got something way in the back that I missed before. Don't know how, but we'll take it. And now I can try to gut this. I have not gutted very many Euros, and I don't have a key, so that's also going to be a minor issue. There we go. And now I can show you how this thing works. So we stick that in the keyway, cover the top like that. There we go. And now we should be able to, something with a little bit of a lip to it here. Should be able to yank the, yep, just like that. There we go, nice and slick. And up top we've got, or sorry, in the core, standard, 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 and standard. So all standards in there. And now, so I think you can just stick these in. I'm not sure that's how you're supposed to do it or not. Oh, yep, that works. And now, the first one will be it's a really new feeling, but that's a spool. This works really slick. I'm shocked. Well, I'm not shocked. I mean, I knew it was going to be nice, but it works really nice until you turn it too far and it rockets it out, but that's another spool. Another spool. So I just need some practice with it. That time we did catch it at least, and that one's a standard. So there we go. And then we can use this to reload. Just stick it in, and then pin by pin, as that turns, we can load it back up. So this is what we got out of this Iseo lock. Come on, focus. There you go. So all standards on the bottom, standard on 5, and then spools on 1 through 4. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll get some more videos of some of these other Euro locks out to you.